So, another reiteration, wide service procedure, chapter 4, let's continue. So, this is the 12 wide service procedure. So, ang muna po ito, after getting the requested wine, approach the guest table, bring the wine, the clean table napkin, a wine corkscrew, or any type of wine organizing of a wine with stand. The wine stand should be set on the right side of the house. Letter 9, makita rin namin sa video mo. So the next step is, shoot the wine bottle to the host, present the label, and wait for the confirmation of the wine. So upon demonstration, get the name of the wine, yung size sa bottle, then the name of the bottle, ang year, if it is vintage wine, and then the area of origin, ang type pa niya, or Cabernet Sauvignon, or Riesling, or Vineyard, and then yung alcohol volume, and measure, or type of wine, then tag origin, and agent, or importer. And then, next is, slowly silver the metal or bottle, capsule about approximately half an inch below the neck, turning the bottle, and then grab the bottle top and cork with a clean table napkin. And then implant the tip of the corkscrew in a little into the center and twist it in clockwise direction till it has completely entered the cork. And then handling the bottle tightly in one hand, hook the lever of the corkscrew in one per motion till the cork is entirely removed. Next, guys, is shoot the cork to the hose for assessment. Napalo. Ay na, nalubat. So, rub the rim of the bottle to detach any cork, residue, or mold. So, decant roughly 1 ounce of wine into the glass of the host for tasting and evaluation. Post the wine for approval. And then, serve the wine starting from the ladies, the gentlemen, and finally the host. So, the glass should be filled at above half level. So, do not decant the wine distantly over the glass. And then, handle the neck of the bottle, close the glass, and be cautious not to rest the neck of the bottle in the rim of the glass. And then, to top decant, the bottle should be shaped upward with rotating motion to avoid spillage. Lastly, put the bottle with its lip overloaded to the right side of the hose with the label facing the bottle. Yan, kita nyo sa video. So next is the principle of the serving operation. It's a real wine accompaniment. So matching with wine with food. So Barbera red wine, mamatch siya sa roasted lamb and lamb chop. And then, ang Barbaresco red wine also, pwede siya sa grilled stick. So, chopless wine, para siya sa oyster, pero reminder out, pwede naman na ito, dali naman yung ma-determine basta white wine, ang always niya ma-partner is mga fish, mga white meat, fish chicken. Cabernet Sauvignon of 10, roast turkey and grilled rump of lamb, then chopless white wine, kanina kay red. So, scallops and smoked dishes with avocado. So, makita niyo, puti siya. Puti ang pares kay white wine. And then, champagne and sparkling wine. So, smoked salmon and fresh black pepper. Chardonnay white wine, red snapper steam and good and potato salad. Chesed, Montrachet, Burgundy, the poached fillet of sole and white wine with the green grapes. So, Chapion to Papi. Roasted pork, tenderloins, and lentil salad with mushroom. And then, Shati Canon Sen, Emilion Bordeaux, lamp with a Bordeaux, lamp with a broad grass. Chanti, roasted pork and fillet of salmon. Bordeaux. Gamay or July. Spice apple muffins and dessert. So greenage blend, roasted pork with tenderloins. So balik-balik lang siya, basta red wine, red sad nga palit.
For dessert.
So Italian reds, makita na ito, Italian reds, beef cashew with bok choy and shrimp, filled with mushroom, and then merlot, wine, veal and pork chop, mozzarella, vergara, chose paste fritters with apricot sauce. So, mag-dessert na siya, guys. And then, nebbiolo, gorgonzola cheese and steak. We have peanut grease, we have baked oyster with tomato and roasted turbot. Peanut noir, short ribs and grilled steak. Baked Bordeaux, roasted lamb chops and pork chops. Red burgundy, Roquefort fillet of lake fish and roast beef. Kung ano siya kasi tawag na ang pari siya may isda sa kwan ba? Karpa. Prawn rice. Revisit and duck rice. Wrestling. Green salad with vinegar dressing and grape mani and papaya. Roast na wine dyan ang pares na only shrimp. Sancerre, fresh spinal salad and fresh aspect. Also, we have Sangiovese or Tuscan red. Ang matching is roast turkey and chicken. Sauterne, free with hazelnut bread and crayfish stew. Sauvignon blanc, bready milk. Next is cherry, shrimp and onion rings. Shiraz plain woods, we have grilled salmon fillet and grilled quail in a spicy peanut mold. We have also the white burgundy, which matching is Filipino lobster salad with artichokes and poached fish with butter sauce. And also we have zinfandel and blends. Matching is roast bitter to braised with pork wine, gravy, and filament grilled pork. So next is the merchandising as customer relation. So these are the life and blood for the food and beverage service. Of course, pag wala na siya, walay guest nga mukhaon mo inyong lugi ang inyong restaurant. To guarantee constant patronage or repeat guests, their needs must be met with satisfaction and it must be maintained. So customers at all times deserve special, on-time and consistent attention. So, una, wait staff, the dining area must see to it that all kinds of guests are satisfied who finish their stay and their dining experience memorable. So enjoyable and satisfying, hence they will come back as a repeated guest. So even if the food and the atmosphere is good, if the guest is absent or disappointed with the service and the attitude of the staff, they will not come back anymore and all the more they will relate their bad experience with their friends and loved ones that they will discourage them from patronizing the restaurant today. Pinaka-importante sa lahat, dapat yung staff, sama sa ito, kung nata sa UGT natin, dapat kung sa may mga problema sa itong panimalay, hindi na ito dalon sa itong trabaho para makapokus ta.
1 minute na.
Next is to look after the feeling of the customer. The following major features that needs extraordinary cares are two kinds, especially the procedural and the personal aspect of the service. And then, a positive facial expression like smiling in the verbal communication of the simple welcoming the guests with one saying anything, enhancing appearance and some other ways of making and upholding the goodwill of the guests. Pinaka-importante sa smile, bahalag, plastic na pagka-smile. Kahit kung smile ka sa guest, sa akin ay mga guests nga ka ng stress, pinamumit, pero makita nga, kung smile ang staff, mamulat na Mawala ka man. And then, bar as a dining staff should anticipate the needs of the guests so as to meet their expectation and thereby satisfy them. To preserve the generosity of the guests to major aspects of service that needs exceptional care are provided, namely the procedural and the personal dimension of service. For example, kanang wala. Wala siya nangayo bitaw, mo siya matagan, mo siya tumulog, mo sa iyong kinahanglan, like water. Bilang yung water. And then, the procedural dimension of the service provides the system required for achieving consistency and efficiency of service, whereas the personal dimension brings personal that makes the guest feel highly valued, accepted, and appreciated. So, a gorgeous smile, sweet expression, and other conducts that build in sustaining the friendliness of customer. Number 1 is the procedural dimension. It has 9 elements. Specifically, number 1 is timeless. Prompt attention to customers' needs, orders, requests, and inquiries. So, a food and beverage outlets gives an impression of quick and efficient service when, una, customers are acknowledged upon entering the outlet by welcoming, greeting, leading, sitting, and offering assistance. So, nakakwanta na sa itong training, di ba? Sa kuwan. So, yung dalawa kay waiter staff, even though how busy, approach the guest and see, I'll be with you in a moment, sir or ma'am. So, dapat na yung nana, wait a moment, just a moment, ma'am, I will be right back. So, a menu list should be given to the guest if it is an a la carte service, but if it is a table, a beverage, this should be given to me. Guests to select a choice of beverage while the waiter is still busy attending to the other guests. So, customers are treated in a first come, first served basis. First in, first out, or the people is designed to speed up and facilitate food preparation service, thus reducing waiting time. Among them are, una, in-plan, preparation, and then computerized order taking and billing of use of the point of sale or the POS. And then, using a ratio of 1 meal buffet for every 100 guests so that the waiting time and the buffet continues. Gutom na. Providing a station table, service table, sideboard that is cleared with mist and black.
Uy, naman, naman.
Okay.
Uy, gamay lang ni. Nice.
Dito na kasugod, balik siya.
Number 2 is convenience. Refer to a system that ensuring guest comfort and convenience while being served by the wait staff. So, tanan kasabot naman tani, like room service, waiting lounge, or receptionist, or a table station. Number 3, organize and smooth the flow of service. Number 4 is the anticipation. Number 5 is the communication.
Pamugas pa na kailangan confusion.
So, number 6 is the feedback mechanism. So, atong nagkuhan dito sa hotel, naging feedback, kagay sa feedback sa kuhan. Then, ipas mo sa imong supervisor. Pagkakalan mo sa iyo. Number 7 is problem solving.
Kuya mo, kaya ano, naka-service, hindi ko sa service.
Ano, makita ba si Ma'am Tal? Hindi ba respeto ba? Oo, yeah. Hindi ba kung gano'n sa inyo? For solving service operation, difficulties including the creation of problem-solving skills. So next is monitoring of service. Checking as follows. On-the-spot checking, reporting the condition and situation, or incident, compliance, and needs and comments. Reporting outlets performance, analyzing of report, and then professionalism. So dapat abulutan mo handle sa itong trabaho na standard. So be professional, even though students bata. Number 2 is the personal dimension service. Una, ang personalized service. Quick and personalized response to customer. Number 2 is the enthusiasm. Readiness in attending the guest needs with a smile. So, imuhang pagka-concert mong wala ka smile. So, dapat mo smile ka. And then, number 3 is respect. You have to respect your guests using tact and diplomatic in handling compliance. Number 4 is smiling body language. Una is providing friendly service by smiling using eye contact and body movements that express warmness. And number 5 is open-mindedness, so receptiveness and opening to guest comment, or being appropriate to guest comment. So, last page, yung iulat, yung ipabot. Needs satisfaction. So, anticipating guest needs through word of appreciation like saying, thank you for dining with us, Thank you for your loyalty. Thank you for your patronage. And a word of affirmation like, you really deserve the best service from us. I am grateful for the opportunity to work as a chef or a cook, and I hope you have an amazing day. So then, acknowledgement. I have taken notes of your comments, sir. Thank you for choosing our restaurant. And then, empathy. I understand how you feel. Anticipating guest needs by being alert, having an advanced knowledge of the customer's needs, relaying important information such as out of stock, service, policy, extra charge. And then number 7, lastly, the attentiveness, which is immediate and quick attention to the guest, adequate attention and constant attention. That's it, guys. That's a wrap. I'm out.
Video pa nila po.
Video ba?
Hindi sila video.
Ay, di pa. Next meeting.
Sige, video next na lang.
Video, hindi ko.
Bye-bye!